Families of New South Wales asbestos disease victims will miss out on compensation of up to $500,000. Unlike the governments of South Australia, Victoria and Western Australia, the New South Wales Government has rejected recommendations by the Law Reform Commission to pay what's described as fair damages to widows and families. Emma Renwick reports.
Last year, Dorothy Cocos watched her husband Richard die a painful death from mesothelioma.
He come in and said, "I've got a pain in the side." It took 6 weeks for them to find out what it was, and then from then on it was another 7 weeks before he passed away.
Since then, she's lobbied for victims' families to be fairly compensated, backing a proposal by the New South Wales Law Reform Commission that compensation claims should be able to be made after the victim has died.
To require someone who has only a few months to live to concentrate on legal proceedings at a time when they're fighting for their life and saying goodbye to their family is not appropriate.
But the state government has now rejected that plan, saying it would breach an existing agreement with manufacturer James Hardie. The deal saw the government agree not to change compensation for dust diseases for another 30 years. That agreement has been overturned in 3 other states.
In 2006, the South Australian Government introduced these reforms, and that's been followed by Victoria and Western Australia. We haven't seen any large outcry by Hardies or any other defendants.
Critics say it means widows in New South Wales lose hundreds of thousands of dollars in compensation.
If they do claim, well then the money paid to the worker is discounted from the widows and dependents' damages, which is grossly obscene.
I feel for my children and my grandchildren that they've been cheated out of something that their father would have wanted them to have.
Because the Cocoses didn't apply for compensation while Richard was still alive, lawyers say they'll miss out on up to $350,000. Emma Renwick, Lateline.